What town are we in?
Where?
Hoboken. And where did we just come from?
We just came from my birthday party and abandoned.
And so, Ema, what are you going to do right now?
Lie down.
Okay, show her how you do it.
Let me show you one more time, Mom. Leave them all up. I love you, Mom. I'll give you a big hug. Make it pop. Here's your hug. Oh, let me one more, okay? Okay, Mom? I didn't see anything. Good, sorry.
Say bye-bye.